Can you hear me online? Am I audible? Audible. Good. Let's share the screen.
This meeting is being recorded.
Now. Okay. Let's start it then. Good afternoon, everyone. Good. You had a nice lunch. Nice. How are you all? Fine. Good. Good. Nice. The same energy, why don't you carry until 3:30? So 2 o'clock. Good, sir. 2:30. Good, sir. Good. 3. Good. 3:30, no sound only. The moment I said bye-bye, you all will just run only. Nice. Good. I'm good. Thank you. Let's start. Let's see. Now. Okay, we'll start it what we discussed in yesterday class, sir. Everyone focus here, ma. In case if anyone missed yesterday one, or in case if anyone having some problems and all, will be discussed first. We'll just repeat what we discussed and we'll just repeat it, the installation process and all. We'll just check it if anyone got any errors or anything. Once we resolve all of this, then we start learning what is, how to do MongoDB collections and all. Let's start it, sir. First one, I will show you the procedure of installation and all now. Again, don't worry. Listen. First one, what is MongoDB? MongoDB is a NoSQL schema-less document-based database. Guys, listen, ma. MongoDB is a NoSQL. What does it mean by NoSQL? We will not use SQL here. Simple. Schema-less. What does it mean by schema-less? Schema-less means we will not have any schema. Schema bole to structure. We don't have any structure. For example, everyone see this. Yesterday we discussed this, sir. We started MongoDB. Imagine you have a table. Imagine you have a table. And in this table, I am asking it name and roots. So every person must enter name and roots. For example, if there is one guy, Prasad, he did not enter roots, then it will come Prasad and A is empty. Right or not? Last ones. Listen, ma. Now. Imagine you created a database using a table, sir. You are entering the details. And now, you forgot to enter for one person. Let's go here. I am entering the details, sir. Raj. Here, something 25. Now here, something Prasad. Now here, I did not give any value. Now something, let's go with this. Something ABC. Name 55 for ABC. Now, everyone see this table. Everyone, please see this table, ma. Can you tell what is the age of Prasad? Null. It is not there. Okay. I am telling about that Prasad, not this. Okay. So, in table, whatever the Prasad is there, it's null. It's not available. But interesting point is, memory is allocated. Right or not? You have given something. You said it like, I am giving one storage place for each. You fill it or not, your wish. But you are giving it with place for it. Are you getting my point, ma? That is called a schema. There is one schema. There is one structure. The schema is like name and age for everyone. That is what the schema, one structure is there. But in the MongoDB, nothing like that. In MongoDB, there won't be any structure only. In MongoDB, how it will be like, one object will be there. For this object, one guy will have name. And another object, this guy will have name and age, both. Now for first guy, there is no field like name only. It will not come age or anything because there is no field only for name. So each one like an individual. Best example is your social media accounts. One person will have something like blocked numbers. One person will have something profile. One person will have email. One person will not have email. One person will have phone number. One person will not have that field like phone number only. If you want to wish, add it. If you don't want to wish it, don't put it your profile. Some profiles are private. You can't even have anything. Simple. You know that, right, boys? So the point is so simple. In some data, when you are storing it, some people choose, but I don't want this particular data only. So it doesn't have any sense if I give it empty. Imagine I created a social media accounts. Imagine I created a social media website for phone in tables. You know how it will do? If you use MySQL in social media accounts, what will happen? Name, something XYZ. Email, empty, because he did not give. Phone number, empty, he did not give. But if he did not give, email should not be shown. He should not store that email only, right? It won't work like that. For one person email, for another person no email, that will not work like that in tables. If you want to give, everyone you will give. If you want to put some people, put null. But you should give it for everyone. That is how the table works. But documents works in a different way. Each one is an individual. Is it clear, my everyone? Are you understanding in real time? Today I will show you in real time also, like your Python kind of thing also. Don't worry. Okay. Now, next one. And MySQL, MongoDB is a NoSQL system. NoSQL system bole to it won't have any SQL structure. Okay. We don't use structured query language. What is SQL structured query language? We use this language to speak to our databases. We spoke to MySQL and I told similar language you can use it for Oracle, similar language you can use it for MS SQL, only slangs are different. But for MongoDB you should not use that language. It's completely different. Okay? Now, next, how it will store the data? It will store the data in JSON format. What is JSON? Binary JSON. Don't think it binary means 1001. No. Binary bole to actually two values. Here binary JSON means true or false values. In future you will understand slowly. Okay? We will have true or false kind of thing, that is binary JSON. What is it called, man? Binary JSON. Very good. Next. Inside the MongoDB, this all we discussed yesterday. Inside the MongoDB, we have collections. Collections are like, okay, it's a mistake. Collections are like the tables. Collections are like the tables. Documents are like the rows or records. Documents are like the rows or records. Fields are like the columns. Fields are like the columns. Yesterday, I think I showed you this. I think I showed this. No, I did not. Is it there? Yes. Now, okay. Here, yesterday we did one, na? Maybe for yesterday we did. Imagine this is a table. right? Now, same table, similar Tara table, if I want to create it using MongoDB, you know how you will create? Using MongoDB, if you want to create it, you will write it here, all customers equals to something array. Now, inside the array, first one, customer ID. What is the value of customer ID? 1. First name. Now actually it will store everything as a string, ma. You can write it normally also, it will take it. Don't worry. First name, something ABC, JSON format. Last name, do, age, 31, country, USA, close the object. Now everyone see this. Here I created one object, sir. Can you see this, ma? Now compare this both, everyone. Compare this both. Please compare it, sir, here. This is the table. What is the table name? Here it is called collection. What is the collection name? Customers. Tables are like your collections. Tables are inside databases. Collections are also inside the databases only. Okay. Now, inside the table, what is this one called? Row. What is it called? Row. Here, this one is called, this object is called document. What is it called? Document. There, row or record, here we will call it as document. Now, inside the document, what is this one? Field. Actually, here this country one, this all represents one column. Okay, here also each one represents a field. Country, customer ID, 1, it is one field. First name, it is one field. Last name, it is one field. Age 31, field. Country, USA, field. Every field here will have key and value separately. Key and value separately. Is it clear, ma? Key used to access the values. Any doubts here? I hope everyone knows about this. Now, if you don't know, just try to learn some kind of objects, in Python. Those things help. Next. By default, listen. By default, every element will have one ID field. Underscore ID field. By default, every element will have something called underscore ID. By default, every time we will have underscore ID. Every time we have to write key value, ma. That is mandatory. By default, we will have every document by default will have underscore ID. Okay? Yes, Neha, here customer ID is the key. That's it. Perfect. Now, next. RDBMS here, dekho. Relational databases will follow vertical data. What is that? Sir, what is that vertical data bole to? Here, when you have tables, I think I closed it. When you have a table, now, listen, sir. Now here, the data is like one after the another. Which is like vertically you will go the data. But here, the data is horizontal. Why it is horizontal, sir? Why? Because you are writing everything in one particular array. The data in the array is existed in a horizontal way. Okay. And even in scaling, actually, even while scaling also, scaling bole to imagine the load is more. when load is more and all, MySQL and all will like to go with vertically scaling, but MongoDB likes to go with horizontal one. In future, you will see about sharding, replicating and all. I will tell some advanced concepts in MongoDB. At the time, I will tell you. Okay. But I'm just telling you, scaling in MongoDB goes with something called horizontal data. Now, next. Here data goes vertically. Here data goes horizontally. Now, next. Now, next one. Someone is asking, does MongoDB require more storage than SQL? Actually, it requires so much less. Now, let's go here. Compass costs more actually. Now, you go here. How do you download it? Go to everyone. Please see the installation, sir. MongoDB download for Windows. MongoDB download for Windows. Go here, server. Go down. Click on download. Server will be downloaded. Then left side, tools are there. Now, try the tools. Go here. Download two tools, ma. Download two tools. One is MongoDB shell. Download MongoDB shell. And go to Compass. Download MongoDB Compass. Now, sir, actually, sir, if server is there, that is enough. MongoDB server itself will install the Compass also. Okay. You don't need this, but I'm just telling you, just download it. Total 3 things I downloaded, sir. MongoDB shell, MongoDB server, MongoDB Compass. Okay. Now, how do you install them, sir? People who are asking, someone is asking about Atlas, sir. We won't download Atlas. Atlas bole to cloud MongoDB. We will discuss later. First we will do MongoDB for some days, then we will come back to it. Now, after downloading it, sir, let me reinstall it. Now, sir, before it download it, first let me do this procedure. Before it download it, let me do this procedure. Go to MongoDB, go to downloads. Check it here, Mongoose is downloaded. What is Mongoose? MongoDB shell. What is Mongoose? MongoDB shell. Now, right click. Now, someone, see, for some people who are not getting after restarting also, I will tell you the procedure. Listen to me. Right click, extract all, extract. It is installed. Now, go here inside, copy all the code, everyone. Copy all the code. Go here, C drive, program files. Go here, everyone. I just extracted, copy all, copy all. Then go here, program files. Then go here, MongoDB, Mongoose, paste it all. Now, after pasting it, sir, listen. Different people systems, it works different way. Copy this path and paste it in environment variables. If after that also you are not getting, sir, go to the same folder, bin. Copy the bin path. Copy this bin. Go to the bin. Copy this bin path. Go here. Type it here. Copy this bin path. Go here. Type it here. Environment variables. And then click here environment variables. And then go here path. Click here edit. Again, after copying, where I have to do, again I'm telling you, from starting, sir, downloads, go here, copy all the code, C drive, download, copy all the code, extract it, then go here, C drive, now, C drive, go to program files, go to program files, go to MongoDB, go to MongoDB, go to Mongoose, paste it. Now it will be pasted. Sir, what if that Mongoose folder is not there here? You create it. You have to create one folder Mongoose, name Mongoose, and then put it inside. After keeping it inside, go inside it, go inside the bin. Everyone, inside the bin, copy the path. Inside the bin, copy the path. Then, after copying the path, go here, type it, environment variables, then go here, environment variables, go here, path, edit, then click on new path, and then click OK. OK. This will work 100%. If you copy the environment variables of the bin, it will 100% work. People who are not getting it, please check it where you are doing the mistake. When you copy it from bin, it will work in worst condition. Till now, any doubts, ma? If it is not working it one more time, restart your system. That's it, the most important thing. That's it. Now, go here. Now, how to install the server, sir? Go to MongoDB server. I'm installing it. See, this is the installation things. Everyone, please see it once, sir, so that you will not get questions again and again. Go here. Next. I am saying it change. Next. Here install MongoDB Compass. Next. And if you click on change, automatically whatever the MongoDB I have, it will be changed. Yesterday I installed it. Already MongoDB is there in my system. So it will change that. Any doubts here? Any doubts here, ma? No. In the people who are having it still doubts, follow the procedure. Okay. Follow the procedure. I am giving it the same procedure. Even online I am giving it. Manually create Mangoes folder. It's not Mangoes, right? It's Mongoose. Mongoose folder. After pasting into Mongoose folder, you have to take bin folder. You have to go to bin. See, I write it exact commands online. Please see the commands. It will copy the bin. It will work, don't worry. Now everyone, listen. After install, listen. Everyone, after install, please check it. How do you check it, sir? Go here. Type it here. Command prompt. I am opening my command prompt. In command prompt, check it here. Mongoose. And it will come. Shailendra, if your thing is coming, installer no longer responding, delete it and then download it again. Any doubts, ma? No. That's it. Now next. People whoever are getting it the same error, Anjali and all, Mongoose not recognized means you did not copy the environment variable of bin. Please copy the environment variable of bin. Now, we copied the bin. If you copied the bin, it will come. Max to max, restart. Now, let's go ahead, sets. Let's go with the further one. That's it only. That is a normal only. It will come like that. It's a normal only. Now, okay. Next one, sir. Everyone, listen. Everyone, please see it. Mongoose हो गया. Now, let me open Mongoose once and MongoDB Compass once. Open here, MongoDB Compass. And this is Mongoose. I have Mongoose in one system. I have one window. And this is MongoDB Compass. Open MongoDB Compass. Now, if program files are not having MongoDB means it's not installed, Ray. First install MongoDB. Now, guys, focus here. Some people will get this error. Everyone, listen to me. Some people will get this error that we connected false. Something like connection is not done and all. That means your MongoDB server is not running. Please restart your system once it will run. In the worst cases, go to C drive, program files, MongoDB, go to server portion, bin. Now here, can you see one thing called Mongoose? One application is there, Mongoose. Open Mongoose and MongoDB. That is MongoDB. Open this both. Mongoose and MongoDB, both will just run it and then close it. Automatically your server will start. If you run this both, it will automatically start your server, sir. Okay. Now, everyone see this one, ma. Now, if MongoDB is not there, download it. Server download somewhere wrong. Okay. People who are getting the errors, please try it, download one more time. Okay. Now, let's focus here. Now, let's go here. Can you all see here databases, ma? Last ones. How many of you are doing in systems, Ray? Raise your hands. How many of you are doing systems here? So you all are typing it with me now. How many have got installed? All down? Not installed. Raise your hand. करो रे, क्या कर रहे? हाँ? देखो, one logic. These people also having same network, man. They are using their hotspot, Ray, because their 2 GB is okay for them. Ray, if you don't learn also, chod do. I don't turn on Wi-Fi. Simple. Okay? Because you will start learning new things now. Then, let's start it, sir. Now, online, I'm happy that some people are helping another people. That would be helpful, Ray. So that I will no need to shout. Now, guys, everyone see, some persons are thinking about this database. I'm deleting my database, Ray. Because people are confusing here. This is my database. See, this is what you will get by default. Are everyone clear till now? You will have only this 3 database. When you open it, you will have only these 3 databases. If I want, I will create the database again. Now, go here, show databases, show DBs. How to see the DBs? Show DBs. Okay? Now, sir, today we will do CRUD operations and also we will see what is something like Python and all code. Okay? I will show you how it will be done. First, start here. Everyone see this, man? I am creating one database, sir. Boys, focus here. People who have installed with me till now, people whose system are having it, do it with me. If you are not installed till now, just chupchap se baito, note it down so that later after the class you will install and you will do. Unnecessarily again, because when I explain one concept, you will do installation, that will become more messy. Now, but let's start it, sir. Here, use. I am starting one database. Let's start a database here. I am starting a database like Pokemon DB. Now I am starting something called Pokemon DB. Is there any database already existed, sir? This is the interesting point. You can actually use database before its existence. It will not give you any error. If you write it, use database name, it will not say any error even though the database is not existed. Why? Because technically database will not be created until you give a collection. Until you put a collection in it, database will not be created. Now I give here, it is saying it like switch it to something database Pokemon DB. It is saying it like switch it to Pokemon DB, but it is saying it like switch it to Pokemon DB, but it is not actually. If you ask it, show databases, Pokemon is not there. You can see it here. Even in your workbench also, even in your compass also you can see. It's not there. But still it will say like that. Why? Because you can do operations. You can create one collection now. Let me create one collection, sir. Collections are like tables. Again, I'm telling you. Collections are like tables. Now, how do you create a collection? DB. DB means database. DB. Online also, please. How to run community server. When you started your MongoDB, automatically community server will be downloaded. How to open Mongosh? Open command prompt, type it Mongosh. Simple. What is this test? By default, it will be in a test database. That's a dummy database. Temporary one. DB dot create everyone. MongoDB uses camel case. Camel case bole to always starts with small letter. Every other word will be capital letter. MongoDB uses camel case. Camel case bole to every word will be capital except the first word. It starts with normal first word, remaining all words capital. Create collection. MongoDB, you can write it here, MongoDB create collection, and here I am writing the collection name Pokemon. Online, if anyone have doubts, please let me know. Online people, if anyone knows the answer for the people who asked it, please answer it. Thank you. Please open this compiler again. Type it here, command prompt Mongosh. It will open. Again, go here. Everyone, listen. I am opening CMD, command prompt. Everyone see this, sir? Command prompt. Type it here. Mongosh. Type it here. Mongosh. Enter. Automatically test will come. It's a dummy one. Test one is a dummy one. Now, I will see it like show DBs. Sir, is Pokemon is there? Why? Because actually it's not created. Until you click on create collection, it will not create. Simple. Now I will write it here. Use again Pokemon DB. Now next one. Here create it. What is the command, sir, everyone? You guys wrote it now. Tell me DB dot create. All the people please tell me DB dot create collection inside collection name. Collection name. What is the collection name? You put anything you like. Understand the database. Don't focus more on the Pokemon. Focus more on the database. Okay. Now, by the way, you all know Pokemon, right? Very good. Now, even the girls know Pokemon. Oh. Okay. Now, guys, can you see here? Everyone, what is the response you got? Okay, 1. What does it mean by 1? Any guess? True. What does it mean by 1? True. Imagine something I got a database error. Then what will happen? 0. That is why it is called BSON data. Binary JSON, always it will take input or output in the binary format which is of 0 1s. Which is true or false. 1 means true, 0 means false. Okay? Now, good. Now if I ask show databases. Now see, can you see here one database is there? Can you see here one database is there? Pokemon DB is there. Now, use Pokemon DB. Already I am in Pokemon DB only. Okay. Already on Pokemon DB, I be saying it. Can you see that? Yeah. Now let's start, sir. How do you create a collection? DB dot create collection name. What if I want to delete a collection? DB dot drop collection. I told you, if you learn one programming language, all are easy. If you learn one database, all are easy. Drop collection name. Drop collection. It's 100% true. DB.drop collection is not a function. DB.drop collection. Pokemon.db.drop collection. No. Let's write it here. Show collections. Collection is there. Then it is 100% DB dot. You don't need to use commit or something, sir. No. DB dot Pokemon dot drop collection. No. Why it's not working? My installation is done only. Okay, we'll see. Now, first, guys, see here. Everyone see here. If you go to the same logic, if I go to the same logic here, in compass, refresh. Where is this? Refresh the database. Now can you see here Pokemon is there? If I go inside, can you see one collection is there? It will give you how much storage is taking, everything also. Now inside the Pokemon collection, if you want to go inside, if you click on it, you can go directly. Compass is like 10 minutes. One day if you try it, you can learn compass directly. If you try one day, compass you can learn directly. But I want you to learn both parallelly, without compass, with compass. Now here, okay, now let's try it here. How to get the data? Okay, we will get it the data one by one. First, db dot collection name Pokemon dot find. Is there anything data in the ma? Is there any data, sir? No. If you write find, Find is like your select. Find is like your select. Sir, someone is asking the question how to create the database. You don't write any command for database. You will directly use the database and then create a collection. Automatically database created. You don't write create database and all. You directly use the database and then create the collection, sir. Now, this one is the similar to select ma. First, let's enter the data one by one command, sir. Now, let's write all the things. Use database name db dot create collection name now. After this, everyone please focus here. How do you listen? How do you exactly insert the data? db dot insert data. Always collection C is capital ma. MongoDB follows camel case, that means starting with small letter and every other word is capital letter. Collection we should use it as capital letter only. Okay, now let's start. How do you insert the data? There are two things. You can insert one document. You can insert one document or multiple documents at a time. You can insert one document or multiple documents at a time. Did you remember ma, when you insert the rows, you can insert one row or multiple rows at a time? Two things are there. Here also, you can do one or multiple, your wish. How do you do that? First one, I want to insert the data, sir. Now go here. See, no data is there. You can see it. The collection has no data. Even when I ask it also here, it is printing empty. In command prompt, if you want to print it, you will say find. Okay. Now let me write it here. db dot. What is the collection name? Pokemon. Now let's write it here. Insert one. Insert one. Insert one is used. Insert one is used to insert one value. What value? One document value. To insert one document value into the collection. Insert one is used to insert one document value into the collection. Now let's write it, sir, here. Now let's write it here. Aditya Pokemon DB is a database and collection is Pokemon. Sir, are you all clear, ma? Collection name is Pokemon. Database name is Pokemon DB. Okay, both are not same. Don't confuse with it. Now, I am creating document. You all know document means we'll have it something brace. Now I am writing it here. Name. What is the name of the Pokemon? Obviously, everyone knows. The first one, Pikachu. Sound. Pika. That's the only thing most people remember. Or attack. Thunder. That's it. So here, everyone, here you are having it. Three things, sir. Type electric, you can give whatever you like it actually. Pokemons have types, yeah, water Pokemon and all. This is a current Pokemon. Now, land one. Now here you are having name, sound, attack. Is it a rule like every document must have name, sound, attack only? Yes, no. You can't put it like one Pokemon will have it only name only. One Pokemon will have so many things. That is the use of this MongoDB, na? Now, let's go here. Let's enter. Now, what it said? Can everyone read what is the response? Acknowledge 2. 2 bole to 1. Yes, it was successful. Now it is also saying it inserted at object ID. That means, sir, it created one object ID. Did you remember every document, it will automatically create one object ID I told? Now, let's see it, sir. Let's see what is created. I will go to my compass. Now let's refresh it. Let's delete. Let's go here. Let's go to Pokemon. Let's open it. Can you see here Pokemon one thing created? Can you see one thing created? Now, in this what are there, sir? In this what are there? Underscore ID is there. Did you give this underscore ID? To uniquely identify each document, you need one key. That key is underscore ID. It will only automatically create. You don't need to create it. Here there is no concept like primary key and all. Automatically it will create. Second one, name you give, sound you give, attack you give. Any doubts? Any doubts here, ma? This is to create one document. Now everyone, create a collection, create a database, create a collection and insert one document on your own. See these things, everyone, in the next 5 minutes, create one database, collection and one row on your own. Do it, sir. Are देखो, open at least book रे, do it रे, in front of me. Try it at least. People who don't know, act it. नहीं, समझ नहीं हुआ? हाँ? नहीं, for you, first bench, hello. Did you understand anything? You are only रे. Did you understand anything? Do it. Do it. Create it one more row. Create it one more row now. One more document. Quickly, sir. How to end this Pokemon DB? If you want to end it, you go to another DB. Automatically, this DB will end. Simple. If you go to another DB, this DB will end. Simple. That's a simple logic. Does the MongoDB have commands like SQL? Yes, it have. We will discuss slowly. We just started. We don't have any creating DB command. We don't have any creating DB command. Use only directly. Object ID, from where it we can get it, sir? We don't get it. Automatically it will create it. What happened? Error? It's like Mongosh you open. Open command prompt and in that type it Mongosh. Did you install it? MongoDB ఏదమ్మా ఇక్కడ సి డ్రైవ్ లో MongoDB లేదండి అన్నా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసావా after class we'll to see now. Quickly, sir, everyone. Mongo network error. Then what I will do? Run it one more time. Compass local database is there. Start log collection. Create it your own database. Insert to next one. I will try. Don't worry, ma. Listen. Always insert one only. If you wanna insert one document, insert one. I did not say insert one because it's a first document. I said it because insert one document. If I have to insert one more, sir, I am taking it one more tag. I am going with one more thing, sir. db dot Pokemon dot insert one. That means one more document I am inserting. Insert one. What is the document you are inserting it, sir? I am inserting name, any other, sir? Bulbasaur, color, green, sir? ग्रीन नहीं है. I thought it's green ray. छोड़ दो. Now type land. To be precise, actually grass Pokemon it is. Now, everyone, instead of focusing on Pokemon, focus on this insert one. Insert one, I am inserting some data, sir. Okay. How many times you are inserting name? How many times inserting one, you will insert this only. Okay. How many times you insert, you will insert one only. Because you are inserting one document only. हो गया. Now also an object ID created. Did I give that object ID? No, automatically it's created. Now go here. Let me refresh it, sir, one more time. Can you see here? If you observe, both object IDs are not same. Object IDs are. And even format also change. Can you see? Schema also change. You can't create a table like this with the different schemas. That is why MongoDB is a schema-less, no SQL document-based JSON structure. Okay. Now, let's go here. I hope everyone tried it, sir. Let's build it more. CLS. What if at a time I want to give two values? At a time, I want to insert two values, or three values, or 10 values. That is also possible. db dot collection name. What is the collection name? Pokemon. Then next, here, insert many. Insert. There are two ways to insert a document. One is insert one. Another one is insert many. Insert one we will use when you are inserting one document. Insert many you will use when you are inserting multiple documents. Sir, I said insert many, but I installed one only. कुछ नहीं होता. कुछ नहीं होता. You can say insert many for anything, sir. Any number of values. Now go here. Insert many. How do you install? How do you give? You have to give in an array, sir. Last ones. Focus it 1 minute, man. Listen. When you are inserting the values, you insert many means you will give it in the form of array. Here you are giving array. Inside the array, each value is one object. Each value is now 1, 2, 3. Now I am inserting 3 Pokemons. Let's insert a Pokemon name. बोलो रे नहीं नाम बोलो. Huh? Not your name, रे Pokemon name. Char. Spelling I forgot. Char. हो गया. Charmander. हाँ. It's a 5 Pokemon ना. Acha, one Pokemon will be there. I don't know you remembered it or not. It's kind of favorite to me. It's like one Pokemon will come and it will sing. When it sings, everyone sings. Jigglypuff. Perfect. That's a thing, re. You can become good guy re, in future. Perfect. You will get job pakka. 3. Maram say animes you remembered. That means you are highly intelligent person. Talent. Singer. No one recognizes it. Pokemon Climax is the believer found actually. Now, next. Huh? Why Shinchan came in Pokemon Ray? You are the worst kind of people. Why you made it 2 universe? Now, next. Starfish. कुछ नहीं. Now, I just inserted 3 documents, sir. Oh, Team Rocket is there. That's true. Now, name, everything is done. Perfect. I don't need to give only, na. That's the point of MongoDB. I will not give type only. Type wrong, Ray. Thank you. I would have said error by now. Type equals to I put. Where I put comma wrong? Ayyo. Perfect. Now come and correct only. Enter. Semicolon. Okay. Close the brackets. Now no errors. Dekho. It actually created nicely. Sir, it created 3 object IDs, sir. You can say acknowledge it true. Created 3 objects. Now go here. If you go here, refresh it. Now see, total how many documents are there? 5 are there now. Any doubts, ma? When you are using Python, you will do this using normal your web only. Okay. Now, guys, everyone, listen. This is about insertion. What is it called? Insertion. Now, how do you insert the data? You can insert documents in 2 ways. One is insert one, another one is insert many. Insert one will take it only one document. Insert many will take it one array. Insert many will take it one array of documents. Okay? Any doubts here? No. How do you see all the values? How to do read command? How do you see all the values? db dot collection name, db dot collection name dot find. If you, it's like in your SQL select asterisk from table you will write, na? It will print all the values from table. Similarly, this is for reading. This is for reading. If you do this, db dot pokemon dot find, that means db dot collection name dot find, it will print all the values. Aditya Gupta is asking M should be in capital. Yes. Any word I type it in MongoDB, remember this. Anything I type it in MongoDB, if it is having it, listen, anything you type in MongoDB, if it is having 2 words, second word starts with capital. Always first word only small. It's a mandatory, camel case. Now, when I type it, what will happen, sir? It will print all the details, sir. See? When you write it find, it will print all the details, sir. Any doubts? Any doubts, ma'am? Is it clear? Now, till now we have discussed three things. One is insert one, insert many, find. Insert one, insert many, find. Just remember this thing, sir, so that you can insert the data. Next. So, db dot collection name dot insert one, and you will give here document. Now, same thing. Control C. Here what you will do? Insert many. Insert many. You will do an array of documents. Document 1, comma, document 2, comma, document 3. If online also have any doubts, you can ask it, ma. I hope it's still now clear. After inserting, it is not showing it in MongoDB Compass. Just close the Compass. Try it on only in this drive. Later we will see it. Okay. Now, till now any doubts, sir? I will give you the notes also, sir, for you. In this notes, all the commands till now it will be there. You can type these commands even in your thing also. You can type these commands. Guys, you can type the same commands. Sir, I want to type the commands in MongoDB Compass. Type it here. Okay. If you want to insert it here, dekho, in MongoDB, you don't need to write it any insertion big technique. Click here plus. Can you see here plus, ma? Plus, insert the document, then enter the document details, whatever you wanted, comma, name, meow. Meow used to be there, right, with the Team Rocket. Partner, Team Rocket. Perfect. हाँ क्या हुआ रे? जूम करना है. Happy? And I can't be seen that now. Go here. Okay. Now if you do this automatically, here whatever the document you gave, sir, the document will print it there, sir. Now why it is not coming it here? Insert. Okay. Yeah, I told you now, it has to be in a JSON structure. Quotation. Perfect. Now, for the people who did not get it, where to type and all, again I'm showing you. Click here. Press. Insert the document. Insert the documents. Simple, paste. But understand this logic, ma. Everyone. I told you it will take JSON structure. That means key also be in the quotation. But I told you also, when I insert the documents, I told you, if you don't give also, it will take it like that. In Compass, you should give it. In normal query, if you don't give also, automatically it takes. Now, click here, inserting, simple. Now, Meoth is inserted. Now, go down. I can see it here, last, it's there, Meow. Or, what if I want to insert multiple one? Same here only, same document only. Put them in array. Instead of giving them directly, put them in one array. Then automatically it will insert, sir. Any doubt, sir? You go here. I will type it here, everyone. Online, if anyone have any doubts, you can ask me. Now, type it here. Let me type it. Pokemon array JSON data example package with Pokemons. Now, did I get any? Not getting anything. Pokemon list. Where is this array? Now it is not showing it. I will only create it. Listen. If it is having it, it would be better. But if it is not having it, देखो. Even you can import directly one JSON file. If you are having JSON file, automatically it will import the things. Or go here, insert the document. This time I will only give an array. Insert the array. I will have it something like online. Thank you so much for someone who is giving the data to me. But you give only one Pokemon. I want more. Anyone. So I will copy it. Someone gave one data to me. I will say it like Pikachu 1 and same thing, comma. I will say Pikachu 2 and same thing, comma. Pikachu 3 where did I did mistake? You don't need to put the array only, automatically it will take. When you are giving multiple documents, automatically it will only understand the array. 2 documents, 3 documents. ఎలక్ట్రిక్ అనేది అరేలో ఉంది, తప్పేం కాదు అది. It can take it actually the array. I don't know why it's not taking it. Somewhere some logic. See, insert, it's an embedded program. It's an embedded document. See, Goko sir, it's an embedded document. Embedded document means one document. Inside power you are having again an object. I did not check that logic, sir. See, someone who is copying from that guys in online, check it, sir. It's an embedded document that guy gave. Here. Now it works. It should. What is the logic in it? Insert not permitted while containing errors. But what are the errors, Ray? 1 document, 2 documents, 3 documents. Go here, insert the documents. Huh? अरे आई एम जस्ट एंटरिंग द डेटा रे, इसमें कोई नहीं है रे जूम करने का. Why the data is not coming? I'm just checking it. Something somewhere the data is wrong. Okay, online someone gave so much data. Okay, someone used an API only. Heh. Now I will do it my own data, sir. Name Pokemon 1. Name Pokemon 2. Name Pokemon 3. Simple. See, I am inserting multiple documents, sir. Everyone, guys, please listen to this. I am inserting multiple documents. Insert the document, and almost all the documents are installed here. Dekho. Simple. You can insert the document simply. Now, how do you delete the documents? Now, third command, delete. Can you see here delete icon? You can click delete icon and you can delete it directly. But what about command? Right? Let's write it commands first. Go here. There are two ways to delete an element. One is delete one, another one is delete many. Delete one is used to delete one document. Delete many is used to delete multiple documents, many documents. Write it here, delete one. Here you should give one condition. Which element you want to delete? Sir, if you do this automatically, if you don't give delete one, any condition. Now, can you see here one problem? Missing required argument. That means if you are deleting one element, which element you want to delete, you should tell. Now, I will tell. Delete one, and I will say name meow. Any guess what will happen here? It will delete only one document which name is meow. Okay. It will delete only one document which name is meow. If you want to delete only one, you will use delete one. Someone is saying it like, what if two documents have same names? First one will be deleted. In that both. Two meows are there. First meow will be deleted. Simple. Actually, its name is Meowth. I just spelled it wrong. Now, anyway. Kannaya, please don't delete me. Huh? Okay. I don't think Meowth also will have fans. Chod do. I will delete something starfish. I will take it an object ID, sir. I will delete. Sir, you know what is the best way? Delete based on object ID so that you will not have any problem. Anyway, I'm deleting the starfish one. Go here. हो गया. Now, can you see here what happens, sir? Acknowledge, true. Delete count, 1. How many elements are deleted now? 1. Now, go here, check it here, db dot collection name Pokemon dot find. If you see here, there won't be any element named starfish. If you see clearly, Meow, Jigglypuff, Charmander, Bulbasaur, Pikachu. But there is no starfish only. Because the starfish is deleted, sir. Listen, you can actually go there, directly delete it. If I refresh it, देखो, if I go here, if I directly click delete, it will be deleted very easily. Using compass is childhood. Children can do that. Delete icon click करना, delete करना. Edit icon click करना, edit करना. Okay. और insert icon click करना, insert करना. That is so simple, sir. But in command prompt, if you wanna do it, this is the technique. Any doubts? No. What if, sir, I wanna delete multiple values? Now, go here. Now, one more time. What if you wanna delete? Someone is saying it like, which one is best to learn? Both, Ray. You can't learn only one. Now, listen. Learn both, sir. Because one will make your work easy. Another one in Python you have to write now. See, who will delete the database value? You will not delete. User will delete. Today you added your profile, right? From your friends list, you want to delete one person. What you will do, you will just click delete that person. Automatically, what will happen in database, it should be deleted, na? That means your front end JavaScript will tell to Python, this guy clicked this person, delete. And then that Python will tell to database, delete that guy. And then database will delete and send it to the backend again. Yes, I deleted. Then backend will say to friends, yes, I deleted. Then it will show one pop-up, you are deleted. Simple. Are you getting my point? This is how the process go. Front end speaks to backend, backend speaks to database. Now, let's go here, sir. db dot Pokemon. Now, actually, I don't have any condition which can delete multiple things. For that, I will add some kind of condition here. See, here I have something called type land, type fire. Now, I am gonna add one more thing, which is like type fire only. Name PRC type fire. Now go here. Now there are two elements which are having it fire. Now there are two animals. One is like Charmander, another one is PRC. Both are having one thing common. Oh, sorry. Here fire is capital fire, there fire is small fire. It is important which one is which. Now fire and fire. Now let's go here. I'm going to database db.pokemon.delete many. Delete many. Then write the condition, sir. What is the condition here? Type. What is the type? Fire. Sir, what is the difference between delete one and delete many? In delete one, it will like to delete only one element. It will like to delete only one element. When you are going with delete many, imagine someone asked me earlier one question, what if two meows are there? I said it like only first meow will be deleted. But if you use delete many, both meows will be deleted. That's the only difference. But it should match the condition. If there are, listen, delete many doesn't mean mandatory delete many. No. If there are more than two elements using that particular condition, then all will be deleted. What if only one element is type fire? That element only deleted. Insert many can be used for insert one. Delete many can also be used for delete one. Only the thing is condition. It's like, now go here. Simple. Now what happened? Acknowledge true. How many elements deleted this time? True. Now go here. db.find. Now this time I added something called PRC. That's not there. I added Charmander. We lost Charmander also. Ho gaya. Any doubts? Any doubts here? No. Okay. Now, sir, how do we created? How do we added, inserted? How do we deleted? Okay. How do we read, find? We have seen. Now, I will do it like I will show you in a rough way how this can be done with your Python and all. Okay. Tomorrow we'll do update and remaining functions. No need to hurry. But till now, any doubts, ma? Till now, anyone have any doubts? No. Now, everyone focus here. There is one thing. You can type it in your internet, MongoPy or PyMongo. PyMongo, I think. PyMongo. 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 In your Python, to add the MongoDB program, you will use something called package PyMongo. It's a package. For SQL also you will use one package. Actually, something I don't know, but something PySQL will something will be there. But package. How do you install it, sir? Not like normally, right? Pip install something will be there, na, in your programming. PIP install something. Similarly, PIP install PyMongo you will install. Then I will show PyMongo with Python sample code. I will show CRUD sample code. See, this course is not about how to teach Python, okay, because even I don't know. So I will just show you how it will work in real time. I'm gonna give you a good glance, that's it. Now, so go down. This is how it works, ma. Listen, these are the three things. You will have your MongoDB connection, which you will download and install MongoDB. You will have something called Python, which you will download and install. And PyMongo is a package. These packages are called drivers. This is a MongoDB driver. Official MongoDB driver for Python is called PyMongo. See, you can install it by using pip. Pip install PyMongo. Clear, man? Then open your Compass, set up a nice database, install some all Pokemon details, and then go to your Python program and write it similar to this code. Now, dekho. This is the code. Import your PyMongo and you will have some kind of try and exception logics. Try whatever you write it in try. See, this is a basic programming knowledge, I'm saying it. Whatever you write it in try, it will work. If it is having any errors, it will go to the catch block basically. And it will have some exceptions. Now, how do you write it in try? First, you have to write pymongo.mongo client and you will give the URL. Did you remember this URL? Where did you see this? When you open your MongoDB Compass, first time it will show this. This is only you will connect actually. This whole database will be connected with this local only. Now if you go here, if I go back to quit, now if I open MongoDB connection, where my MongoDB is running, it will show that only. Now dekho, here actually localhost something, I can even see it here. Show connection info. See, this is the localhost 2270. Why it is not showing it fully? Copy the connection string. This is the connection string. If I copy it, it will come. See? Always, see, most of the time it is same connection string. In localhost, it will be the same construct string. In future, what I will do, the cloud only you can have. Only the difference. Same program, string you will change. That string you will give local, instead of local MongoDB, you will give global one. Second, here you will give your database name. For me, Pokemon DB. And then, automatically it will be connected. If you write it, automatically it will be connected. You don't need to do anything. Then after connected, what you will do, sir? You will put front in one button, sir. If anyone click on the button, it will show one form, sir. And form, it will fill the details. They click on enter, submit. When they click on submit, the front end details will come to backend. Using some API, they will create one API and front end details will come to Python. Now Python have some details, huh? This Python will write insert command. Python will write insert command, insert one. Automatically that details will come. See, here to create a collections, you will create a collection like this. Or if you want to insert the documents, you will write it here. Collection dot insert one. Here the commands are different kind of insert underscore one. So then you will give some data, whatever they are inserting. This is the data you will get it from front end, sir. And that data automatically it will be inserted. Any doubt, sir? If it is inserted successfully, it will come one message, printf, inserted successfully. Same thing, you can do delete command, you can do all these things. Okay. What is the find will do? Get all the details, huh? That is why they use for fetch all. Fetching is like network request. It will go there and it will bring all the requests. Simple. Now my point is so simple, sir. Now you have MongoDB. If you watch it on YouTube or if you go with the normal Google or if you even ask for ChatGPT, it's a simple 1 hour project. All I want is, listen, learn practically. All I want is, anyway I will teach you MongoDB. Along with this, start a simple project. The project is like adding students, giving attendance and deleting the students. Teachers add the students and they will give attendance and list of students will be there and teachers can delete the students. All CRUD operations can be done. Create, update, delete. A simple application. Slowly you will build it up better. Is it clear, ma'am? Are everyone clear till now? That way you will understand better. Same thing actually MySQL also similar. But MySQL it's so that complex why it will become. In Python you will get actually objects. Python object you should go for tables. But here MongoDB is easy. Because Python is also object, this one is also object. Easily directly it will come. Okay, that's why for Python we will use it. Online is voice is clear. Yes. Okay. Now try this thing, sir. I am telling it, create one real-time project. Just because I asked real-time project doesn't mean e-commerce website or something silly, sir. I wanted something chota one. It needs to be something, real-time use. Make it some kind of nice app and bring it. Okay. Someone is saying it like in MongoDB we can't perform data analysis. No, you can't. Understand this. MongoDB is not for big queries. MongoDB is for chota queries like getting the data, inserting, deleting. Or you can do analysis. Here also you can do analysis, but not great analysis. Like Amazon sales. No, MongoDB can't do that. It's a big data. MySQL can do that. Okay. That is why big companies will go for MySQL. Startup companies and chota companies will go for MongoDB. Okay. Any doubts here? Is it clear, my everyone? Practice it today. I will upload the notes. Today. Practice it today. Tomorrow we'll discuss update. I will upload the update also, but you practice it. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you all. And any doubts you can ask me. If no doubts you can leave, sir. Online, if any doubts you can let me know, sir. Vishnu is getting an error. Mongoose is not recognized. Please push it that the bin value into the path, sir. Put the bin value into the path. Follow that. Arshad, PyMongo how to install? Ask your Python, sir. They will tell you. Okay. All commands are also there in the notes, ma. I will give you this notes. It will have all the commands. You can see that. Insert. Data add. Insert one only, na? Doubt? खाली सिंपल है। देखो डेटाबेस है ना, तुम एक ही वैल्यू इंसर्ट करना चाहिए तो इंसर्ट 1 लिखना है। वो मांगो कंपास में है, वो खाली सिंपल है। देखो पोकेमॉन का जाओ, पोकेमॉन इधर ओपन कर, इधर ऐड डेटा। तुम जेसन है, तुम्हारे पास जेसन फाइल है तो खाली जेसन फाइल दे दो, ये पूरा इंसर्ट होता। तो वो छोड़ दो, इधर मैन्युअल इंसर्ट करना है। इंसर्ट डॉक्यूमेंट है, इसके पास एक आईडी है, इसके पास आईडी है, तो हम इधर दे रहे हैं नेम प्रसाद। खाली और चाहिए तो दे दो, नहीं चाहिए प्रसाद, हो गया इंसर्ट। बराबर, इट विल इंसर्ट। हाँ, नहीं नहीं, हर एक डॉक्यूमेंट का एक अलग अलग जाना चाहिए। देखो नहीं, हाँ, हमको और एक वैल्यू चाहिए तो देखो, ये ये पूरा छोड़ दो। आईडी ये ऑटोमेटिक, आईडी ऑटोमेटिकली वो देता, आईडी तुम नहीं देना है। देखो इधर राज, राज कामा, कामा, इधर एक एरे है, एरे के अंदर वैल्यूज दे रहा है, नेम समथिंग। इधर दो वैल्यू दे रहा है, कुछ आईडी कुछ नहीं है, एक दोनों में एक एरे में है। तो ये इंसर्ट कर दिया तो क्या होता मालूम? तो देखो ये दोनों का ये ऑटोमेटिक आईडी आ गया। ओके, बराबर। ओके, in compass import java and it is showing a choose folder, which folder to choose. Pallavi, wherever the folder you have json file ma, which folder you will choose? Seriously,